Hey, namaste everyone, it's me TK. Once again, welcome back to your channel, which is TK Dreams Vlog. So today I'm going to share you my day, and this has been suggested by my son, some of one friend, and he told me that if you share your day, it's be kind of the good vlog. And today I'm going to take a vaccine. I don't know how it will go at Vechu Trauma Center, and doctor has been suggest me you go and take care. And now I'm going to take vaccine if it is possible or not. I'm going to share that. Okay, children, are you ready? Go with me today. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, come on, let's go. So I have parking my cycle here. So guys, finally I reached a trauma center, and it's very confusion, and here the campus is a lot big, and I have parking my cycle here. So let's see what will happen. This is parking center. I have to go there, grantor signs. Confusing. भैया वैक्सीन कहाँ लग रहा है? और जो दिख रहा है ना? ओके. So right now I have to go at Faculty of Dental Science. Just waiting. So guys, I could not get the vaccine because first doses vaccine has already complete, and they give me refer to be tomorrow 9 o'clock. Let's see. Now it's been 12:30, and they told me that tomorrow you have to become exactly 9 o'clock that you will go to vaccine. My cycle is where. Let me show the little bit of campus of the dental. This is a very big. Okay. There is no optional. Don't know. Actually, I would like to tell I must be checked earlier because my one of the friend he told promised me that he will be check me for a vaccine, but that's not possible because he went for some reason he busy at. That's why I'm really sorry. It's very tired. Now again I have to back to live. This is the main gate. This is the trauma center of Bichu. This is the main gate. Now I'm just over to the main gate. Bechu and trauma center is connect to each other. This is the main gate. So guys, now I'm again back and I could not get vaccine at Bichu Trauma Center. So I'm going to try at GLW. Here also some camp. Here also camp is there to be free vaccination. So I'll try my best today if possible. So guys, one thing we have to remember, and we have to not believe anybody. If you believe anyone and if you wait someone, it will delay for your work, your dream. So this thing is very deep lesson to me, that you must be not believe anybody. As possible as you have to work yourself. So me, abhi recent now again I'm reached at this Suri Sarovar, and the guard has told me that you have to cross that side. तो ये है सूरी सरोवर. Look at there, it's a very beautiful part. तो यहाँ से मैं फिर जा रहा हूँ. I'm just trying my best. आज ही वैक्सीन लग जाए. यहाँ कुछ some shop. I'm just trying to go. Oh my god, it's very amazing. Oh, so guys, finally again I'm reached at lab, but I could not get vaccine because in DLW you have to be booked for slot, then you will possible to take a vaccine. But in Beijing Trauma Center there is a vaccine has already finished. Tomorrow 9 o'clock have to come. So it's too sunny. I think you have seen that video. So this is the lab. Everything is spread away. So guys, I have checked my G, stamped with G, and I have it complete.